And a machine fire IRM ref for Jamaica versus game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? Kman here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, we're here with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 with red dot. Yes, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 with red dot. Yeah, I'm just get my passport. I'm just froom. Fly gone over chin body. You know what? Chin body there. But before we do that, I beg you, please do something for me now, please. You see that Twitch here? Yes. I tag a link in the comment section. Above it, I go pin. Follow me, please. On my Twitch. Yeah, we do regular stream over there. Follow me over there, so please, man, just hit the follow button. Even if you don't go over there, go join, just hit the follow button, see me. You know what I mean? But yeah, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎��� with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 with the red dot. I could jump in the one and see what going on, man. Let's go.
Yours truly, freshly created.
Repeat, broken. All units respond. Code 9. Deadly forces authorized.
Badness, you know? Blood clot. Why me so like bounty killer? Badness about to start. Pussy clot. Laser beam. Ammunitions. Armory. A movie. Hey, big up the editor. See him there too? Big him up. Big up the editor, guys. Yeah, editor, big up yourself, MG.
Headshot body back them. Well, I'm a killer, the pay up, me have a mad friend. Rifle bun boys can well have acting. Drive by hot cat, pull up and mash head. For them anywhere we go for them rat then. Got the M60 when him chopping for chop them. Now we make boy life dash way for dash way. I want do some pussy all actress. And anywhere we go for them.
Man say I want to do some pussy hole actress. Not even actor, you know, actress. Man say them a woman actors. Wait, man. Wait.
Forces authorized.
Man never kill up himself. Easily does it. Pussy club, bullet a fly out.
Headshot body back
Them, yeah.
Killer the pay up, me have a mad friend. Rifle bun boys can well have acting.
Yo, the man make you know say you're the whole I'm killing them dopey up. Him have mad friend. Him friend them head not good. Everybody have dopey to them name. Doppies. Several doppies. Doppies.
Well, I'm a killer the pay up, me have a mad friend. Rifle bun boys can well have acting. Drive by hot cat, pull up and mash head. Go for them anywhere we go for them rat then. Got the M60 when him chopping for chop them. Now we make boy life dash way for dash way. I want do some pussy all actress. And anywhere we go for them. Left or right for grain and not the dread dance.
Hold on, man. The man say anywhere we go for them. Left or right for grain in a dirty dread. Who have dread? Who them are what? Remember, I'm not from Trinidad, so I don't know what I want to know. So una have to go film me in the comment section. Who have dread? Who for head them I go left? Right for green in a dirty dread. I don't know who.
Now we make boy life dash way for dash way. I want do some pussy all actress. And anywhere we go for them. Left or right for grain and not the dread dance. If we just walk down and bust him head. One talk and me rise up fucking hell. None of them never know.
Man say one talk and me rise up the fucking hell. Yo, are the gun name fucking hell in the dog? Wall them. Whisper. Blood clot.
Anywhere we go for them. Left or right for grain and not the dread dance. If we just walk down and bust him head. One talk and me rise up fucking hell. None of them never know. Anywhere we go for them. Catch them on them pussy friend. Every shot connect. Body drop about the best.
Yo, the man not catch him alone, not the man that say yo, me catch them and them pussy friend. So everything I get wiped out, them pussy friend I get wiped out too. P-U-S-S-Y, P-U-S-S-I, pussies. Yes, all of them I get wiped out. That's what the G said, not me.
Pussy friend, every shot connect. Body drop about the best. Life we take it so we left. See to them my phone, yes. But them on my left, we met the whole just. You we get that headshot from a red dot. Eye, defend that boy, defend that. And all them attack hell. Send for how to make me drag an Xbox at the pussy try run and him drop from a red dot. Eye, defend that boy, defend that. And all them attack hell. Send for how to make me drag an Xbox. If we step on the wings broad here. Left, right, left.
Blood. Wait no man. The man says step on them ends. Broad day, mingle day, 12 o'clock. Sun hot. Pick me outside the play. We not care. We are step on them ends. Left, right. Blood clot army. Right, left. Yo, the sick dog. The man said the war them not dead, the war not done, bro. The man said the war them not dead, the war not finishing. The war not, no white flag now waving now. They don't have to dead out. That's what a street badness.
The fall of them not dead, the war not done. One talk for we lift up all tall gun. What them want, better than how. Which part me no notice? Shot boy, but I would do shit mouth Joseph. Them nine.
Shit mouth Joseph, how that? Remember, some of them know what going on in that ceiling the dog. So when I go film me, only am shit mouth Joseph. Joseph, him say have shit mouth. What one? Shit mouth Joseph, come to the front line. Oh, what one? Comment section, please. Maybe gonna help me out so we can get the understanding of what one, please. I don't know what's going on. I understand. And me know say the children that artists them love this disrespect content creators we talk about them. Please don't disrespect me, sirs. I don't know what is going on over there. I'm just I'm just repeating. I'm just repeating what Kman6 is saying here. I don't know. One talk for we lift up all tall gun. What them want, better than how. Which part me no notice? Shot boy, but I would do shit mouth Joseph. Them naive like we are them know this. Go sing a song for your bed ready know me. Yeah. Them not bad like me and them know this. Go sing a song for your bedridden home. Who is bedridden? Who? Naive like we are them know this. Go sing a song for your bedridden home. Yeah. And every one of them don't get a location. Send for your long broom. Kill it for them pussy hole. Better make a room. I'ma kill them. They already up. Let loose. I'ma step like. Man, no shoot each other, you know. Man, no shoot each other, you know. When I run back at each other with guns, man, no shoot each other, you know. The blood clot. My friendly fire dog. Watcha, him run gun. Watcha now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And every man a fire shot. Man, no kill each other, dog. This me done go face consequence. Pull up my scale fence. Kill boy with the elements. Them not ready for the war thing. I baby them. A training rifle if up and aim for head. Now lazy put them bad like crazy men. The little limbs in the ready for the flames. Headshot by the back them. Well I'm a killer the pep. Me have a mad friend. Rifle button boys can well off acting. Drive by hot car. Pull up and mash head. Go for them anyway. We go for them rotten. Got them 16 with them chopping. For chop them. And we make boy life dash with. I want do some pussy wall actress. You will get that headshot from a red dot. Ay, your friend dead boy, defend that. And all them attack hell was envy. How to make me drag an X-Bat. Sit the pussy try run a limb drop from a red dot. Ay, your friend dead boy, defend that. And all them attack hell was envy. How to make me drag an X-Bat. Left, right. Yo, this is more personal than the music. That's the way me I get from this. This is more personal than the music. Shit mouth Joseph. Who you be? Who are going in the comment section? Comment section, please tell me who is shit mouth Joseph. Who is bedridden? Who are going? Left, right, left. Obviously, I'm not totally clueless about what going with the 6 and the 7s. Them do them thing from years back, and them still are going now. But who like? Comment section have some explanations for do. You know, don't have explanations for do. Please, maybe gonna do it. Yeah, maybe gonna do an explanation. Kman6, big up yourself. Production team, the editor, big up yourself, G. Production team, big up yourself. You see me? I'm here for the music. I ain't getting mixed up in none of that shit. No. I like to travel everywhere by myself. I like to walk by myself. Me no want nobody kill me. No, me no want that. Me a bad man. I'm not a street nigga. So no, I know me. Anyway, me gonna follow me on Twitch. Yes, follow me on Twitch. Yeah, remember me telling night intro. Yes, see me Twitch, follow me on Twitch. Me gonna please. That is what I'm about. Yes, that is what I'm about. Yeah, we do streaming over there. Yeah, understand? Yes. Follow me over here, so. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one, though. Kman6 again, big up yourself, G. Alright? Peace.
Yeah, Rust Game and I review your feisty dog. Feisty, you fuck.